Okay, good morning you guys from Nosara, Costa Rica. We are just about a 4-hour drive from our next stop, which is La Fortuna.
Which I'm so excited for.
We actually booked a super unique Airbnb.
This is probably the most unique Airbnb we've ever had.
Well, let's not hype it up that much, but super excited to just get on the road, go check into that Airbnb, and then there's just so much to do in La Fortuna, so we're just so ready. Good morning you guys. We got in pretty late last night, as you saw, so we just kind of went straight to bed. But this place is just incredible.
It's so amazing.
It's called Arenal Glamping, which, as you can see from what we've shown you so far, it really is a glamorous version of camping. They have a pool, they have a gym,
like a movie theater too.
A movie theater. They have this yoga studio right here, which we booked classes for. They even have breakfast every morning, so we're excited. Gracias. That is too cute, guys.
They gave us to go.
Packed us food to go because we're running a little late. So
I've never heard of a hotel do that, so that was awesome.
Yeah, true. Anyways, we're just gonna snack on these as we are driving because we booked something super exciting for this morning. One of the highest recommended things to do in La Fortuna is do a guided tour of the Hanging Bridges, which is in the middle of the rainforest.
Hopefully we see sloths.
Yes, sloths, monkeys.
I don't know if they're on this side of Costa Rica, but hopefully. If
not,
then
I don't know
monkeys.
either. Yeah, but either way, so excited. So we got to get going. Yes.
Do you have reservations?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
At 10 a.m.
Insane.
That's the Arenal volcano.
You see how crazy that looks?
This tour, for me, is the number one, the top tour.
Does he sting or?
Oh, sí.
Oh, don't fall.
Oh my gosh. So this is suspended just by these ropes. You can feel it moving.
I can feel, like with every step I feel like I'm going to fall off.
It's like swaying.
Yeah.
This one's called the Arenal View one. So we should get a nice view of the volcano. Are you nervous?
A little bit. My brain is telling me this should not be happening. Look at the view.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
That's the volcano.
She's trying to rush me off this thing. You're funny, baby.
The way it moves, like, just so quickly, I feel like it's gonna spin around. Like,
Guys, that was amazing.
it was so nice.
This rainforest is very intact.
Yeah.
and not impacted by humans too much. So everything we saw was in its natural habitat.
It was not placed there or anything like
it wasn't designed for us to be able to see whatever. Like we saw spider monkeys, like 30 of them just swinging tree to tree, like, you know, very brief.
It was so nice.
And anytime you saw something, everybody would stop and go, oh my gosh, look, look, look. It was just so fun. I loved that.
And everybody was pointing out stuff. It wasn't just like the tour guide, which was really cool.
But anyways, it is hot and sticky, and we definitely want to go for a swim. And we heard there's a beautiful waterfall in town in La Fortuna, so we want to head there and jump in and see what that's all about. You're not going to close if it starts raining, right?
Not close all the park, close just the waterfall because it could be
overflow.
Flash flood.
So I don't know if you heard that, but it just started raining lightly, but we got a little concerned they might close the park, but they let it stay open because obviously it's a waterfall, so it's up to you if
you're gonna get wet anyways, right?
Exactly. But if it starts raining too fast, we will have to evacuate, so fingers crossed. Wow, I can see it.
Amazing.
Look at it.
Look at the waterfall.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, that's where we're going to?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it seems so far away.
That's where we're headed.
Wow.
Gosh.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we gotta get in. So this is Snapper House, and it is recommended heavily for its seafood.
Yes.
It's pretty empty right now, which is surprising to me. I mean, look. But it could be that it's kind of early.
Yeah, and it's off season too.
Yeah, so hopefully that's not a sign of it not being too good, but it sounds amazing, so let's see. Which one is your favorite of the main dishes?
The mahi-mahi and shrimp sauce.
Mahi
Also
mahi.
the sea bass and seafood sauce.
Oh, that's the one I want, the sea bass and seafood. Yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay, cheers me.
Well, you gotta,
I'm
wait
so
a little.
hungry.
Okay, alright, I feel
go.
pressure. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. Mine's so good.
Babe,
Oh my gosh.
don't even talk to me about yours.
Mine's ridiculous.
This is insane.
Let me try a bite. Okay.
That snapper's incredible. at the Springs Resort, which is one of the things we've been the most excited to do since coming to Costa Rica. This place basically has all of these like incredible natural hot springs that are generating heat from the actual Arenal volcano, and they sell a day pass as well, a 2-day pass, which we got because it's way cheaper than actually booking a night here. It gives you access to the pools for 2 days. They have bars, restaurants, showers, lockers.
Swim up bar with the best view of the Arenal volcano I've ever seen.
Yeah,
So
we're gonna have an incredible day here. Tell me, is it hot?
It's not hot, but it's like warm. It's really warm.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Guys, I can't properly explain what this feels like.
It's so nice.
But you can see it's like cloudy and stuff because it's full of minerals. That's what I was reading on the sign there. Since it's heated from the volcano underground, all these different types of minerals that are great for your skin and everything are in the water.
It feels so good.